Hey everyone, today we're diving into the latest offering from HP, the 14-inch FHD IPS Chromebook. Let's start with the design. It comes in a sleek silver finish, giving it a modern and professional look. The 14-inch diagonal FHD IPS anti-glare micro-edge WLED backlit display boasts a resolution of 1920 by 1080, providing crisp and clear visuals whether you're streaming videos or working on documents. Under the hood, it's powered by an Intel Celeron N4020 dual-core processor, which can burst up to 2.8 GHz. Paired with 4 GB of LPDDR4 SDRAM and a 64 GB eMMC storage, this Chromebook ensures smooth performance for everyday tasks like web browsing, document editing, and video streaming. Plus, with its Chrome OS, it's optimized for seamless integration with Google Classroom and Zoom, making it perfect for students and professionals alike. One standout feature is the stereo speakers tuned by audio experts at Biano, delivering rich sound quality for an immersive multimedia experience. And with up to 11 hours of battery life, you can stay productive on the go without constantly worrying about recharging. In terms of sustainability, HP has made conscious efforts with this Chromebook. It's Energy Star certified, EPEAT Silver registered, and incorporates environmentally friendly components like low halogen and mercury-free display backlights, as well as arsenic-free display glass. As for accessories, the vgsion OEM bundle includes a reversible neoprene sleeve and a wireless optical mouse, adding convenience and protection for your device. Overall, the HP 14-inch FHD IPS Chromebook offers a solid combination of performance, portability, and sustainability, making it a great choice for those in need of a reliable everyday laptop. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.